Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful picot lace doily pattern. For this project, I am using a 5 mm crochet hook size and a 3-ply yarn. So first of all, we would make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ringer chain. Now we would start our first round. So for the first round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then make a double crochet stitch into the ring of chain again, which is double crochet 3 including first 3 chains. Then make double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and in this way we would make 16 double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into third chain and our first round is completed. Now we would start our second round. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here. Then make chain 1 and into the very next double crochet stitch we would make a double crochet like this. Now make chain 1 again and then we would make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Make chain 1 and make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. We would not skip any stitch here. Make double crochet plus chain 1 into each and every double crochet stitch of first round till the end. Now we would change the color. For third round, I am using peach color yarn now. Make a slip knot of this yarn first. Now make chain 1 and we would make a slip stitch into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Here is our third chain. We would make a slip stitch into third chain with this peach color yarn. Now cut this white color yarn. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Then make 2 more chains and we would make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch. After this chain 3 plus chain 1 space, make 2 chains again and make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Make 2 chains again and make a double crochet stitch into the next double crochet. So repeat this process. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Make 3 more chains. Go into the very next double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet stitch in it. Make 3 chains. Make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Make 3 chains again and make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Repeat this process to complete this round. Make a slip stitch into the third chain again to close this round. Now make a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Make a double crochet in this chain 3 space. Make double crochet again into this chain 3 space and then make 4th double crochet including first 3 chain and then 5th one. After making 5 double crochet stitches, make chain 1. In the next chain 3 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then 3, 4 and the last one is 5. Make chain 1 and 5 double crochet in every chain 3 space. Now in the next chain 3 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and the last one is 5. Repeat the same process till the end of this round. In the end, make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3. We would change the color again. Make a slip knot with this yarn and we would join this yarn by making a slip stitch into the middle stitch of these set of 5 double crochet stitches, which is the third stitch. Cut the other yarn and make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and make a double crochet stitch into this same stitch. This is our V stitch. Now into the chain 1 space between these set of 5 double crochet stitches, make a double crochet, chain 2 and then a double crochet into the same space. Then into the third double crochet stitch right here, make double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet. Then into the chain 1 space again, make double crochet, chain 2 and then double crochet. So this is pattern of V stitch completed till the end. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Then make a slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this chain 2 space. Now in the next chain 2 space of V stitch, we would make a shell stitch of double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, then make a single crochet into the next V stitch. Into the next chain 2 space of V stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, then a single crochet in the next chain 2 space of V stitch. Make these shell stitches and single crochet till the end of this round. Now I have completed shell stitch. Make a slip stitch into the single crochet stitch with this white color yarn. Now cut the other yarn as well, and now start working with this white color yarn. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, 4 more, and then make a double crochet into the same single crochet stitch. Then we would make a single crochet in the third stitch of this shell stitch. Then into the single crochet we would make a double crochet. Sorry. Here we would make one more chain because we would make V stitch. With more chains in increasing round. Then we would make a single crochet into the third double crochet stitch. Now into the next single crochet stitch, make a double crochet, then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4 and then chain 5 and a double crochet in this single crochet stitch. So in this V stitch we would make 5 chains. Now make a single crochet into the third double crochet stitch of shell. Repeat this process and complete this round of V stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain here. Then we would make a slip stitch into the chain 5 space of V stitch. Make 3 chains and make double crochet 2 including 3 chain, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8 and a single crochet into the single crochet stitch between V stitches. Now into the next chain 5 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7 and then double crochet 8 and then a single crochet into the single crochet stitch here. So make shell stitch plus a single crochet till the end of this round. At the end we would use this peach color yarn again. So make a slip stitch into the chain 3 with this peach color yarn. Now cut this white color yarn and make a knot of these two yarn strands. You can weave them inside this single crochet round. Make chain 1 and a single crochet into this same chain 3. Make a single crochet into the next second stitch, then a single crochet into the third stitch, a single crochet into the fourth stitch. Now we would make a picot here. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the first chain here to make a chain picot. Now start making single crochets into the next double crochet stitches. Now make a single crochet into the single crochet stitch as well. Into the first double crochet stitch of next shell, make single crochet 1, second one, then into the third one and into the fourth one. After 4 stitches we would make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and we would make a slip stitch into the first chain to make a chain picot. Then we would make single crochets in each of the next 4 double crochet stitches of this shell, and in this way we would complete this round. After completing this round, weave all these yarn ends with the help of tapestry needle as well, and then our doily would be ready. So I have woven the yarn ends and completed my doily. Give it big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.